Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to delete a directory from the EFI system partition, also known as ESP. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Delete Debian directory from the EFI system partition. Go to the search bar and search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type disk part and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter to see the list of disks. Identify your disk, usually disk 0, and type select disk 0. Replace 0 with the appropriate disk number, and press Enter. Type list volume and press Enter to see the list of volumes. Identify the EFI system partition, ESP, usually labeled as system or EFI, and in this case type select volume 2, replace 2 with the volume number, and press Enter. Type assign letter equals Z, or any available drive letter, and press Enter. Type exit to leave disk part. Type Z: and press Enter to navigate to the EFI system partition. Type CD EFI and press Enter. Type dir to list the directories. You should see a directory named, in this case, Debian. Type rmdir/s/q Debian, and press Enter to delete the Debian directory and its contents. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.